Being my age, I had some on the bottom that were decaying. And I always went to a dentist, but I went to a dentist that was not good. He put implants in me. It cost me a lot of money, and none of them worked out. It was just a wonderful experience to come to him. He's kind, he doesn't just go and open your mouth like the others would and say, oh, you gotta have this pulled or that done. No, he had a whole system that he would tell you all about it. I'm sort of careful because it's new to me. So I respect the teeth. But I eat everything, corn on the cob, I eat potato chips, and I'm very careful. And when I do eat, I'd like to rinse my mouth because I really want to take care of these teeth. I don't want anything to happen, but I chew nuts that I couldn't chew before, almonds. So I can eat anything really now, and you enjoy the meal because I chew so good. And I'm chewing on both sides, which before I was on one side. So my teeth are just perfect.